Hello family, I am back again with another delicious recipe that you guys are going to love. On today's episode, we're going to make chicken casserole with red lobster bay cheddar biscuit. It is so delicious, super easy to make, and guys, you have to come back and let me know how you love this recipe. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. You're going to need one rotisserie chicken that I am going to shred. For this recipe, guys, just rip it apart and basically just shred it. After shredding our chicken, we're going to start our base for our cobbler. So add your butter into a large pot over medium heat. I am using unsalted butter for this recipe because I like to control my salt intake. Now that the butter is melted, go in with your chopped onion. And your celery. Season with some black pepper, poultry seasoning, and some garlic powder. I like to cook this for about 5 to 8 minutes until my veggies are softened. After 5 minutes, this is how my veggies are looking. Now go in with your flour. And now we're going to cook our flour for about 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is how it's looking. That looks so good and it smells incredible. Now go in with your chicken broth. And make sure that you stir it in so you don't have any lumps in here. After adding in your chicken broth, go in with heavy whipping cream to balance out the savory from our dish. After adding in your veggies, go ahead and allow this to come to a boil and simmer for 8 minutes. After simmering for 8 minutes, it's time to check our potatoes, just to make sure that they are tender. That looks good. The fork went right through it, so that's perfect. It's time to add in our shredded chicken to it. After giving it a stir, go in with some chicken bouillon. And a little bit of salt. Give that a stir. Now allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. After 8 minutes, give it a taste to see if it needs any additional seasoning. I did went and taste mine. Mine tastes really good. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and preheat my oven to 375 degrees. Now grab a 9 by 13 oven dish. And we're going to transfer all that into it. Now for the biscuit, all you need is 2 packs of red lobster cheddar bay mix. Pour that into a large bowl. Pour in your water. Give that a mix. After you're done stirring, go in with your cheese. Mix that in. Now that you are done mixing in your biscuit, grab an ice cream scoop and dollop some on top of it, just like so. This is how it's looking after. Go ahead and stick this in a 400-degree oven and bake for 20 minutes or until your biscuit are golden brown. This is how it's looking right out of the oven after 20 minutes. Now take your butter and brush the top. Okay family, so my chicken cobbler with biscuit is ready and my house smells incredible. I cannot wait to enjoy this. I did allow it to cool for 15 minutes before digging into it. This recipe is just so delicious. If you have any leftover turkey, you can definitely use it for this recipe. You cannot go wrong with it. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.